installing inspection doors in the tailgate today. It says in the instructions that this is to be used for inspections only, and you're not supposed to use it for material handling. So you're supposed to be able to look in there, but they don't want you tipping it up and letting material fall out the door straight into your wheelbarrow. That's what they don't want you doing, but that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna cut it in there like I already did here, and then I'm gonna weld it in, and I'm gonna do the same on the other side. It's gonna be awesome.